them say it's gonna be a movie. You ever heard that?
Pardon?
Oh dear God. All right, some
Have I
would
heard them say what?
it's gonna be a movie. No? All right. My people,
who's them?
you know what we're talking
Who
about.
said that?
It's
Who
gonna
said
be a
that?
movie.
Who says that?
Some away. Some would say we're in a soft apocalyptic movie, while hashtag Tanayayad is in full effect. So we're going to make the most of things to create an epic film by choosing some items from a few categories. Oh, this is not going to work now.
I don't sure, but let's just wait.
I guess they're going to
give
tell
us
us
the
how
categories
to...
and then...
Okay. All right, we're ready for the categories. Bum, bum, bum. What we have to do? Choose like a title and then... No?
Waiting on you, Nikki, to give us the...
Aha! Pick a director. Box cover. Okay.
It's Saki first, right?
Oh, Lord.
Which month were you born?
Oh, you have to pick it in the month you're born? But suppose I want Delia. Or I want Adrian. All right, I have to pick Trevor Rowan, which is not a bad thing. So I'm good with that. And
Except
Sim.
he's not...
You have to go clear. So I'm going to write down my movie. I'm going to write down the pieces of my movie. I have Trevor Rowan as my director.
Okay. Do I pick my director now?
Yes, you have to pick your director.
No? Okay. So Trevor Rowan would also be my director, based on the month I was born?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Next category.
Pick
That
a
would be
lead
some movie if
actor.
Trevor Rowan was directing it, because it would be like a comeback from this.
Oh, I just barely skip it. Pick a lead actor. Look at it. Bad boy Trevor. Dwayne Extall is my lead actor. Merciful Redeemer. What a movie this shall be. Dwayne is an actor? Why is Dwayne on the list?
I have a problem because my birthday is the 24th of a month.
I never work with...
And Trevor's roles are usually...
I'm sorry, I can't stop laughing.
Can I get a redo, Unique?
No, yours is gonna be a pool party.
No, we're keeping it dry around here. What's the next category? Is that the only category?
I can't do this. I'm gonna need help. Come guys, make sure you're picking at home too, right? Oh, what color shirt are you wearing?
Lord Jesus, no.
White.
This
Denzel! All right. Simone. Anthony? Anthony and Bad Boy shirt. I need to stop. Simone, your movie's shot.
I don't need to write this movie. This movie is writing itself.
Simone movie of Anthony Miller, Bad Boy Trevor.
Directed by Trevor Rowan.
By Trevor Rowan.
Shell and Cell. Oh.
I have directed by Trevor Rowan, Dwayne Extall, and I have Denzel. So, I mean, we all know what we're going to get with Denzel. Pick a genre. What is the percent on your phone right now? My own not have number. It have like a little something.
This numbering is so odd.
So
Should it be the other way around?
This look like it's about 20-something%.
Mine would be a drama. Well, clearly mine would be a drama.
Of course, yours would be a
Mine would just have to be a drama.
Mine is a biopic.
Okay.
Or a sci-fi. Okay. No, sir. I cannot manage. Next one. I love it. That's it? Oh, my gosh. I think Simone's movie shot. Directed by Trevor Rowan. Starring Anthony Miller. Bad Boy Trevor. This is the biggest drama
That movie
of
would wrap
2020.
on day one. Because I really don't see the talent working on
Together?
the same page. The storyline based on,
The drama?
what the lead actor is known for would perhaps go in direct contravention of some of my own values. So I would have to leave the set and probably walk away from the production.
But you're the producer. It don't have anything to do with...
Of course it
money.
do.
Is it just your money that
No, I can't put my money behind something when I don't feel.
Simone movie. I would watch Simone's movie.
I would watch it too, I must tell
just
you.
to see the drama unfold.
I'd love to see the
What
ears.
would be the title? So I'm asking, what would be the title of your movie?
The title of my drama would be When Bad Boys Go Worse. Anthony's a bad man to film own way, you know.
Trust
so
me.
trust.
When Anthony get bad, him get bad.
That movie,
guys.
that movie,
That was fun.
Carib couldn't hold the people to come into that movie.
I hope you guys were picking your movie details too. If you did, tag it on social media. I'd love to see what some of your movies were about.
Oh, Sakina never get to talk about her movie.
My movie boring in comparison to your own, that's why.
Extol and
Extol
Denzel.
and Denzel. You know what that would be, right? Extol would be in tight pants, trying to pretend to be Denzel. And Denzel would go, "This is not what I asked." And him lip would turn up, and then that's pretty much it. Yeah, my movie have nothing for your movie, man. Your movie
Extol is your
shot.
friend, don't he?
Of course, he's my friend.
Wow.
My friend that didn't give me the Apple Watch that I asked for, but yesterday I'm fine.
Gave
Why
Daly a
something did-
tripod.
Let's get that clear, Daly. I got a tripod yesterday. I still been waiting on that watch.
You have to ask for it in social media because that's what Delia did. So just
Okay,
record a video.
I'm gonna do it
and
right now.
post it.
I'm
Yeah.
going to record a video right now and see if I get it. Guys, don't go anywhere. Lockdown details are after the break. What am I supposed to do?